How old are you, Poppy? How old are you? You 2? Show them what you do when you show them how you draw on your new drawing table.
Mummy, Dad.
We need to write your name in this cup before you go to school. Do you?
Oh.
Wow, look at that moo cow Poppy has drawn. It's lovely. Aren't you clever?
You like your new table, don't you? Anyway, I'll say how old you are. You're 2 years old, aren't you? Got a little
First
desk.
day at nursery as well.
Yeah, we're going to take you to nursery.
First day at school. Sorry.
School. First day at school. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Wave to the camera. Wave. Bye bye.